Hi everyone, now I realize your time is very valuable, so I'm going to jump right to it. What we're doing here is offering an exclusive bonus offer if you decide to grab the brand new ShopySpy Platinum version through this page you're looking at. And on behalf of the ShopySpy owners, as well as the owner of this bonus page, my name is Dave Gwindon. I am a software developer for online marketing products, and I have developed one of the software products in this bonus offer. And the software product that I personally designed as a bonus, and this is totally exclusive, I haven't even released this to the public yet. It's a very powerful 3-in-1 software program I called AliInspector. And what it does is it researches products on the AliExpress.com website, but it has a lot of powerful features that you really have to see in this video. So here's what I want to talk about. I want to do a quick demo of the ShopySpy app as well as my AliInspector software. And not only that, I'm going to reveal to you 3 product niches that you can get started in right now in online e-commerce stores. And also, I'm going to give you a whole bunch of cool tips on arbitrage dropshipping. So definitely take a few minutes, grab your coffee, and watch this video. You definitely do not want to miss some of the cool stuff I'm going to show you. Now, if you're not into e-commerce or have your own online physical product store, the question is, why should you even get into it? Well, let me show you some facts here. Now, on this webpage I found at the selfstarter.com, you can see they have some stats here about the the global growth for e-publishing, ebooks. You can see right here that it's projected that in 2020 it's going to rise to 29 billion with 16% annual growth, which is crazy. And what about online courses? You can see here it's going to grow up to $50 billion in 2020. See, there's definitely a good growth going on in the self-paced e-learning global market. And you also have software as a service, basically online apps sort of thing, and they're going to grow to 132 billion in 2020. So you can see that digital products is definitely an awesome opportunity. But I just want to show you those numbers because let's just scroll up here and show you something else, which is going to blow your mind. Look at the e-commerce business. It's actually going to rise up to $1.7 trillion. Now, $1 trillion is 1,000 billion. So you can see the growth is, so much bigger than digital product businesses. So e-commerce is huge. And the big opportunity I want to stress in this video is the fact that you can actually treat an e-commerce business like a digital product business where you don't have to warehouse any products at all. And that's why I love arbitrage dropshipping. And one of the awesome things about e-commerce, it's really easy to get started. In fact, all you have to do is use a service like Shopify, or you can use WordPress and get a whole bunch of different plugins that you can use to create your own online store. But the real question here is, how do you do it? How does this arbitrage dropshipping work so that I don't have to warehouse any products? Personally for me, I love digital marketing. And the cool thing is e-commerce can be treated just like a digital business. So if you're not familiar with Shopify, just bear with me for about 1 minute here. I just want to quickly explain how this works. All right, so I'm going to illustrate this using my little fancy diagram here. Well, maybe it's not that fancy, but this is basically kind of how it works. Now, the first thing you do is you set up a Shopify store. And Shopify is actually free for a 2-week period, and I've seen people make a lot of money before they even have to pay for their monthly fee, which is really low. I think it's less than $20 a month or something like that. It's really inexpensive for all the stuff that they give you. So you get your Shopify store, you throw in some products, some descriptions, some images, and then what you do is you get people to your store. And one of the best ways to do that is by using Facebook, and I'll talk about that a little bit later. But people come to your store, they buy a product from you, and then they order that product through your Shopify store. And then you'll get that money directly to your PayPal account from Shopify, but also inside of Shopify, you will have your customer's address, their physical address. So when they buy something from you, they're going to put in their shipping address, and now you have their shipping address, and you go over to a wholesaler. And one of the most popular wholesale drop shipping services right now is AliExpress. You can think of it kind of like Amazon, but it's more of Asian sellers and vendors over there that will ship the products for you. So you go to AliExpress and you buy the product yourself, but you paste in your customer's address that they used from buying from your store. So you just copy and paste it, and then you order the product, and then AliExpress will actually deliver that product to your customer. So you never have to warehouse any of the product at all. And here's a great tip. Right when you're ordering the product, what you want to do is leave a message for the seller on AliExpress. you can say we're drop shipping, no promotions and invoices please, so that that actual seller doesn't start putting all their advertisements into the product that you're sending to your customer, so that the customer will believe that it's actually coming from your store. So that's a little tip that a lot of sellers use, and it's very powerful. In fact, you'll get repeat customers coming back to your store buying your products. And another really good thing to do is you contact the seller and ask if you can put your own promotions inside of your product. So some sellers will do that, some may not, but that's another opportunity you can take advantage of using AliExpress. Now, one of the biggest obstacles in starting your own Shopify store is the fact of what product should you sell? What niche should you get into? And that's where I want to show you ShopySpy. ShopySpy will just blow your mind and make this process so simple. So let's go ahead and jump inside the members area and take a look at the ShopySpy Platinum version. So I might have to actually blur out some of the results in there. It's simply because ShopySpy hasn't been launched yet. I reached out to the product owner, he's one of my long-term partners, and I pretty much begged him, say, look, I need an exclusive promotion for your product before you launch it to the public, because I know it's that good. And so he's allowed me to go in there and show a little bit of the inside of the members area, but like I said, I'll probably have to blur out some of the results because I can't reveal everything yet before he actually releases the product to the public. So here we are inside of the ShopySpy members area, and it's an online app, so you can access it from any device, from your Mac, your PC, your iPhone, your tablet, whatever you got that has internet access, you can get access to this product. So what it is, it's basically an internal database of over 139,000 Shopify stores. That's incredible. Now, if you go over to the product search, you can see there's over 500,000, over 667,000 products that you can research inside of here. Now, I haven't seen anything like this online. This is pretty crazy, to be honest. The programmer that's working on this system is working every single day adding new stores, and it automatically updates all the information every single week about the different details of each store. And this gets really detailed. And to do this manually is nearly impossible. In fact, let me show you how you can do this manually if you didn't have ShopySpy. What you do is you actually go to the Shopify App Store, which is located at apps.shopify.com. And so you go here, and what you have to do is you have to go through and look at the different categories. Say, for example, marketing. You click on View All, and you have to look at the individual apps. And let's say we go to the first one here, and you scroll down to the reviews, and you'll see that each reviewer has a link. Well, these links are all Shopify stores. So if you click on one of these, you can go to that person's Shopify store and you see what it's all about. And there's no other way of searching Shopify stores that I know of. There might be some other tricks you can do, but you have to go through all these different reviews and click all these links. It would literally take you forever because there's over 100,000 stores. There's probably hundreds of thousands of stores inside of Shopify. I don't even know the exact number. So you can see how difficult that would be to go to each store and then try to uncover what their top selling product is, what they're selling, all that kind of market research stuff that you can get inside of ShopySpy. So let's go back to ShopySpy and let me show you what you can get in here. Inside here, you got all sorts of really powerful statistics that you need when you're researching these different stores and products. You can look at the daily visitors, how many visitors they get per day, the bestseller price for the bestseller items. It's always a good idea to try and find a bestseller item that's between $1 to $20 so that your cost will be really low when you go and buy it on AliExpress. Now, whether or not they have a Facebook pixel or a Facebook page, I love looking for other Shopify stores that have a Facebook pixel. What that is telling me is basically that store is heavily advertising inside of Facebook, and that's my favorite place to get traffic. So you want to be concentrating on those stores that are using Facebook pixels, and then what you can do is you go check out their Facebook page and you just model what they're doing for their advertising. It's really that simple. You also can see the number of likes they get, their Twitter profile, and number of followers they have on Twitter. Let's go ahead and use some of these features here. Let's say we want to look at all the stores that have a Facebook pixel, they have a Facebook page. I'm only interested in US currency, and the number one price, basically their bestseller price, should be no more than $30. So let's go ahead and update the results and see what we get. So it came back with nearly 5,000 stores just like that. So let's just scroll down here and see what we can find. And I'll show you some of the really cool features. As you can see here, it's showing you all the #1 best sellers in that store. Check this out. If you click the store inspector, and let's take a look at this product here. It looks like they're selling some sort of key holder, and they're calling it Key Smart. So in here, you can see the website. You can see the last time they updated it, if they're using a theme, so you can go out and model the theme if you'd like. Now their social presence, this is really powerful. Now I can go over to Facebook and I can see what these guys are doing. What are they selling? What ads are they using? What videos are they using? And you can model basically what they're doing. And you look at the ones that are getting a lot of comments, likes, and shares, basically a lot of interactivity. And you can see here, you've got 26 comments, 130 likes. So you can really see which images they're using. And you can use that same marketing inside of your store as well. You can also go take a look at their Twitter stuff. Now you can check out the product insights. You can see how many products they add per month. You can see the top 5 best-selling products on their site. And you can see here, these Key Smarts are ranging between $20 to looks like around $40. So keep that in mind for a minute. You can also see all the installed apps they're using. So that's really powerful. And check this out. You can even analyze the traffic that's coming to their site. This is so powerful. You can check out their global rank, their country rank, and you can see the number of traffic they're getting per month. Not only that, you can also see where they're getting the traffic from. They're mostly coming from the United States. So when you're setting up your Facebook page for your product, you can just model what they're doing. So concentrate your advertising in the US. You can see they're doing most of their stuff on social. And you can also see the reviewing sites, like where are all the traffic coming from. So you can go and analyze these sites, look at their keywords, all sorts of SEO stuff. You can also see where the searches are coming from, their organic keywords, their paid keywords. You can see they're all doing most of their advertising on Facebook. They're not doing any advertising online, so it would show some display advertising using Google or stuff like that. Other domains that are subdomains, their interests, which is really powerful. You can use these interests inside the Facebook ads platform. And you can look at other sites people are interested in and also visit similar sites. So there's definitely a lot of really powerful information inside of the store inspector. Now that's just a tiny little sliver of what you can find inside of ShopySpy, because you can also do keyword searches and you can also search the products in here as well. So you can search over 600,000 products inside of here. And you have all these different filters as well. But let's go back to that other search that I did for that key holder thing, and let's see if we can find a wholesale product that you could possibly sell in that same market, because we know that they're getting a lot of visitors, they've got a lot of likes, so people are definitely interested in this product. And what you can do is you actually just click on Find on AliExpress, and it'll go over there and it will search for Key Smart. But you can see here, it's not really coming up that well. So this is where my bonus software comes into play, and this is going to shock you. I love this piece of software that I created, and this will make your life so much easier when you're trying to find products on AliExpress. So check this out. So here we are looking at Ali Inspector. There's 3 built-in tools. There's a keyword generator. You can search the best sellers on AliExpress, as well as a keyword search. So you go in here and type in smart key holder. And I'm going to search all the categories. I'm going to select ship to country, and I want to search by sort by order. So I'm just going to search the first 5 pages of results. There's about 40 results per page. We can go ahead and click search, and it's really fast. You can see how fast it's going through. Now this is the power of Ali Inspector. What you're doing here is you get all of this incredibly powerful information that you need when you're selecting products. Now while it's running, I want to show you some powerful tips here. Let's go back to my slides. When you're trying to research products on AliExpress, this is what you want to try to focus on. Try to find products that don't have any brands or fakes or knockoffs. So you don't want to be like promoting Nike stuff or something like that, right? So stay away from those types of things. You want to find products that use e-packet delivery. Now e-packet is like Asia's versions of UPS or FedEx or something like that. It's this their shipping provider. So you want to find e-packet delivery with free shipping. Doesn't have to be free shipping, but free shipping is really good, because on your store you could say buy this key holder and get free shipping today. So that's really powerful. You want to find stuff that will deliver within 2 weeks. You don't want your customers waiting forever to get their order, or else they're going to refund. It's a good idea to find AliExpress products that have over 300 orders already. So that gives you a good idea that it's a popular product that people are already buying. You want a product that has a rating over 4.5. You want to find products between $1 to $20, and you want the seller feedback to be around 90%. And so it's actually, and I have another little point down here, it's a good idea to order a single unit to see it for yourself as well. So knowing all of these things, it's really hard to actually manually search AliExpress to find all these things. You can't actually sort things by the delivery time. So this is where my Ali Inspector comes to help here. Like, check this out. So we found 225 products, and now we can quickly search for all of those things we just talked about. For example, I want to see stuff that's delivered using ePacket. All you have to do is just sort by here, and all these are ePacket, and you can see some have free shipping right here. You can also over here, you can see the free shipping provider. If they offer free shipping, who does it? You can see it here. You can see the delivery time for the free shipping, and you can also see the delivery time for the e-packet, so 12 to 20 days. This is what we want, under 2 weeks. So we can have all these products here and go and analyze them. Now let's take a look over here, and we can see the number of orders. So I'm going to use a quick filter. I want to look at stuff that has over 300 orders. Boom, just like that, it's narrowed down to products that I could potentially use to sell in my store. And you can see they actually have a rating of over 4.5, good feedback, a lot of reviews. So let's take a look at these products, and all you have to do is just click the preview button and it brings them right up. And look at that, look how similar these look like to that KeySmart product. If you take a look at that, kind of what it looks like there. And remember, when we were looking at the store, they were selling between $20 and $40. Now let's take a look at how much these cost. Basically $1. We're talking massive markup. This could be a really good opportunity. So let's go ahead. We can see all these here. Let's take a look at one of these. Let's take a look at this one here. So this is $1.38, like less than $2 to get this product. And you could sell this in your own store and mark it up by like 20 times. So we're talking huge margin here. So this is an incredible opportunity right here. And here's another wicked powerful feature that I integrated into the software. One thing you want to do is when you put these products into your Shopify store, it's a bit of a pain in the butt to get the images out of here. You can see they're not really easy to get the images and description out of here. Well, I built that into the software. So check this out. Let's say we wanted to use this one here. All you have to do is select any cell in this row here and right click, select download, and then download product images and description. So hit that, you find a place to save it. Just in a second, I'll just pop up the Explorer, and here it is. You got all the images, and in a text file, you've got the title, link, category, the price, the specifics of the item, the packaging, and also any text that's in the description area. It brings it out here and cleans it up so you can use it. And not only that, you also get the HTML content of the description. So if you click that, you will see you get all of the HTML content, which sometimes has a lot more images in it. So you can utilize that as well. And it's just source code, so you can actually just take the source code and drop it into your Shopify or your WordPress e-commerce site and just clean it up the way you want. So that's really cool. Another powerful feature I put in there, if you right click, you can actually download the 50 best product reviews, and it exports it into a CSV file that is specifically formatted to import into your Shopify store. So that's pretty powerful. So if you just double click this, you can see you've got all of these reviews, the top 50, that you can just import directly into your Shopify store. So I believe I actually haven't seen that feature in any other product, so that's really powerful and just makes things a lot easier for you to get these products into your Shopify stores or your WordPress stores. Now, as I promised at the beginning of the video, I said I'd give you 3 product/niche ideas that you can sell in 2016. Or you can do it right now if you wanted to. So let's go ahead and do that. And here they are: wood watches and wood sunglasses. That's actually 2 niches, but I was thinking you can probably combine those together to make your own unique wood kind of watch sunglass store. Another one is drones, and finally, smartwatches. Now let me just show you the results here on Google Trends. So on Google Trends, you can see the interest for both wood watches and wood sunglasses. They're very consistent, and you can see them slowly kind of raising up, especially the wood watches. So it's definitely a really popular item, and it's very stable in the market. Another one here is drones, and you can see how drones are drastically increasing, as we know that drone technology is just getting so awesome these days. So that's definitely another idea. Another one is smartwatches. You can see there's a huge boom since 2013. As we all know, smartwatches is a really big market right now. So those are three things you can definitely do by getting those products from AliExpress and putting them into your own stores. And you can use ShopySpy and AliInspector to basically do all the research you need, which is one of the most difficult things to do, because once you find those products, putting them into your store and start selling them, that's the easy part. It's the research and finding all those things on all those products that you could sell. That's the hard part. Now, I just did a quick search here in AliInspector for smartwatch, and I got 225 orders. In fact, I've actually tested it out. If you do 100 pages, it'll return over 4,000 items, and it works really fast. It only takes a few minutes. That's pretty cool. Let's just take a look here, and let's look at some products. Let's say we want to look at stuff that's over 300 orders, and I want to see a feedback of over 90, and I want a delivery time of less than 2 weeks. And let's just take a look at ePacket. So right there, so these are all ePacket right now. That's all filtered. So we filtered it down to 38. Let's take a preview of these real quick, and let's see what we find. So you can see there's a ton of possible smartwatches that we can get into. And look at that. Children's smartwatch. That could be an entire niche in itself. Make a whole store just for children's smartwatches. And then what you can do is you can market to parents on Facebook. It's easy to market to parents on Facebook. You can actually select that as part of your ad features. Like, they have that option in there. So that's a pretty powerful idea as well. So you can see just how powerful this software can be. And you can just narrows it down really quickly to those products that you can go and research on AliExpress to sell in your stores. Now, I realize the video is getting a little bit long here, but just bear with me. I really want to show you a couple other powerful features in AliInspector here that will get you very excited. Now, let's say you're looking through ShopySpy and other research, and you want to get into some sort of niche. Let's say, for example, baby toys, but you weren't quite sure what type of baby toys you should research. When you're on AliInspector and you go to search at the top here, let's say you type in baby toy, you'll see all these keywords show up. Well, if you append the letter A, you'll get a whole bunch of suggestions, and it gives you the number of results as well. And so this would be the next #1 ranked keyword for that baby toy with the letter A. Now, if you change that out with a B, you'll get another set of keywords. So this is what that keyword tool does. So let's put in baby toy. And you can also select a category if you'd like. So I'm just going to keep it select all and click go. Now it's going out, it's grabbing the rank, so the position that it appears on that little drop down. So from 1 to 10, when you use the baby toy, just the word baby toy or baby toy A, and it just got 150 keywords. Now here's a real cool thing. You can sort by rank, you can hold down the shift key, and you can also sort within those sorted ranks. So I can see the #1 results for the #1 ranked baby toy or baby boy vest. So that could be a potential toy, a baby boy jacket, a baby toy ring, baby toy dog, baby toy tools. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of these here. Let's select baby boy vest. Now here's a really powerful feature I've integrated. All you have to do is right click and click send keyword to search tool. It'll automatically go and send it right over to the keyword search tool and start searching for that particular item. For that particular keyword. And so that's a really powerful tool. As you can see, even though if you're not really sure what to look for, using the keyword generator, you can come up with hundreds and hundreds of different ideas. So let's go ahead and just pause that there. And now we can go ahead and check out all these different things, see if there's anything over 300 orders. Now we didn't look through that many. Oh, there was 3. Let's preview those and see what they are. And you got some vests. Boom, there you are. You can set up a whole store around baby boy vests. So you can see just how powerful the software can be. And one last thing I do want to show you is the bestsellers. Now there's a bestsellers section on AliExpress, and these sellers change all the time. I think they're like weekly bestsellers. So you can come in here every week and check out all the top bestsellers for any category you want, or you can search for all of them. it'll just grab the top 100. So if there's actually 100 available. So let's say, for example, you want to look at kids and baby, you click go, and it'll find right now there's currently 84 top bestsellers in there. And here you can quickly see all the information that we were looking at before that's totally valuable, like the number of orders, the rating, the reviews, whether or not they got e-packet, their rates. So you can quickly go through here and pinpoint potential niches that you can get into in the kids and baby niche. So, and you also get access to several help videos. So if you just click on the help videos up there, I'll have a bunch of help videos here that will show you how to use each tool. So if you decide to buy the ShopySpy product through this page you're looking at, you're going to get exclusive access to my unreleased software, Audio Inspector. And I also have some other cool stuff that I didn't even talk about in this video yet. I put together a cool little PDF report that is from an article I found on Shopify. Actually, it's a really awesome article on how to basically find products and load them into your Shopify store using AliExpress. So I'll give you that report as well. And I also give you an additional 6 more niche and product ideas I didn't even talk about in this video. So I'll give you access to more stuff that I've done, more research I've done, and these products you can actually go out and make full-on Shopify stores around right now. So I'll give you access to those. And I also found a really powerful a thread, as a forum thread that I found. It's like 34 pages long, and it was about this guy's journey with Shopify and AliExpress, and he pretty much reveals everything he did from the beginning to the end. And it's a really great read. I'll give you that as well. When I'm going to bring this to the market, I'm already considering to break up the software into 3 separate programs and sell them separately. And that would be well over $297 value. So this is a very highly valuable software product that I will be selling in the future. So you'll be getting full exclusive access to this software as a bonus if you decide to grab ShopySpy today through this page. And currently I am not selling this right now. So this is the only way to get it. And I actually totally forgot to tell you this, but it works on both Mac and PC. Now, in addition to the bonuses I'm going to be offering in this exclusive offer, you may also see some other bonuses offered on this page, so you'll get those as well. Now, there's one thing I definitely have to stress here is the fact that this is a time-limited offer. So as you can see on this page somewhere, you don't have that much time to get a hold of this platinum version of ShopySpy, as well as getting these exclusive bonuses. Not only that, it's really important you take action now and find these hot niches and use them for yourself before a lot of people come in here and start to saturate the market from all these hot niches they're finding in ShopySpy. So it's really important to take action as soon as possible. Also, there's another product that's online right now that's similar to ShopySpy. They charge $499 a month. That's $500 a month, and you're not going to be paying anywhere close to that. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I really hope you learned something new here, and most importantly, get motivated to take action. And I'll leave you with this famous quote that I love. It's by Farrah Gray. Build your own dreams, or someone else will hire you to build theirs. So go ahead, build your dreams, and take action today, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.